Today we discuss about introduction to fundamental chemistry. Modern world in which we live is the world of chemicals. We all depend upon different chemicals which are necessary for our survival. Chemistry is the study of matters and the ways in which different form of matter combines with each other. Chemistry has a wide applications in serving the humanity and nature. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel ORK TV.
अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ तो पहले सब्सक्राइब के बटन पर क्लिक करके मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ वाले बेल के आइकन पर लाजमी क्लिक कर लें ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो के अपडेट आपको बर वक्त मिल सके।
The developments of chemistry has provided us a lot of facilities in our life. For example, pharmaceutical chemistry, medicines and drugs, papers, plastics, paints, colors, pigments, soap, detergent, etc. The study of chemistry also provides knowledge and techniques to improve our health and environments and to explore and to conserve the natural resources. In previous grades, you have learnt about the matter, elements, compounds, mixture, etc. In this unit, you will study different branches of chemistry, basic definitions and concept of chemistry. Muslim periods from 600 to 1600 AD. The science of chemistry grew and flourished in all civilizations of the world. The Egyptians, the Greeks, the Romans and the Muslims contributes much to the science of chemistry. The Muslims made large contributions to the knowledge in chemistry. They spread like shining stars on the horizons of the world of science. They made effective and invaluable services in the field of chemistry. This period of Muslims is almost 1000 years long, from 600 to 1600 AD. The principal goals of the Muslim chemists were: first, to find out methods to prolong life, looking for base metals such as lead into gold, to find physical evidences to support religious and philosophical beliefs, though they failed in doing so, but they laid the foundations of laboratory methods. These methods are still used in modern chemistry. The Muslim scientist develops many elements, for example, arsenic, is antimony, SB and bismuth, BI, etc. They developed and used many laboratory instruments, for example funnels, crucibles, etc. Many new chemicals processes were also introduced by the Muslim scientists, for example filtration, fermentation, distillation, etc. Thus, this period provides basis for the modern chemistry. The periods of Muslim is generally called the periods of chemists in the history of chemistry. Modern scientists presents chemistry as purely experimental and practical science. Some well-known Muslim scientists and their achievements are mentioned here. The first one is Jabir ibn Hayyan from 721 to 803 AD. Jabir ibn Hayyan is generally known as the father of chemistry. He was probably the first scientist who had a well-established laboratory. He invented experimental methods such as distillation, sublimation, filtration, extractions of metals, etc. He prepared hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and white lead. Second one is Muhammad ibn Zakaria al-Razi from 864 AD to 930 AD. Al-Razi was a physicist, chemist and a philosopher. He wrote 26 books, but most of the famous books was Al-Asr In this book, he discussed different processes of chemistry. He was the first chemist to divide the chemical compounds into 4 types and also divides in the substance into living and non-living origins. He prepared alcohol from fermentations. The third scientist was Al-Biruni from 973 to 1048 AD. He made greater contribution in the fields of physics, metaphysics, mathematics, geography, astronomy, and history. In the field of chemistry, he understood the different chemical procedures and chemical combinations. He determines the densities of different substances. Next is Ibn Sina from 980 to 1037 AD. Ibn Sina is generally known as the Aristotle of Muslim world. He is famous for his contribution in the field of medicine, mathematics, astronomy, medicinal chemistry, and philosophy. He is the first scientist who rejected the idea that base metal can be converted into gold. He wrote more than 100 books. These books were taught in the Europe for centuries. Chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of physical science. It includes the study of materials and substance of the world in which we live. Chemistry deals with the composition, structure, and properties of matter. The changes occur in matters and the laws and the principles under which these changes occur. Branches of chemistry. The field of chemistry is very vast. To cover all the areas of chemistry, it is divided into different branches. Number first, physical chemistry, concerned with the relationship between the physical properties of substance along with the chemical changes in them. Second one is organic chemistry, the study of those compounds which contains carbon and hydrogens called hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Next is inorganic chemistry, deals with the study of all the elements and compounds except hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Next is analytical chemistry, deals with the study of qualitative type and kind and quantitative amount and nature analysis of matter. Next is the industrial chemistry, deals with the study of techniques and chemical processes for the preparations of different industrial products. For example, cements, glass, fertilizers, etc. Next is nuclear chemistry, concerned with the study of nucleus, changes occurring in the nucleus, properties of the particles present in the nucleus and their emission or absorption of radiations from the nucleus. Next is biochemistry, concerned with the study of synthesis, composition, decomposition, and chemical reactions of substance which takes place in the living organism. The last one is environmental chemistry, concerned with the interactions of chemical substance processes with the environment and their impact on it.
अगर हमारी ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रही है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और वीडियो को लाइक भी कर दें ताकि हमें इस जैसी और वीडियो बनाने के लिए मोटिवेशन मिल सके।